some.
Where I come from isn't all that great. My automobile is a piece of crap. My fashion sense is a little whack. Why should they? I ain't nobody, got nothing in my pocket. Beverly Hills, that's where I want to be. Living in Beverly Hills. Look at all those movie stars, they're all so beautiful and clean. When the housemaids scrub the floors, they get the spaces in between. I wanna live a life like that. I wanna be just like a king. Take my picture by the pool, 'cause I'm the next big thing in Beverly Hills. I didn't go to boarding schools, that's where I want to be. Gimme, gimme. Preppy girls never looked at me. Beverly Hills. Take my picture by the pool, 'cause I'm the next big thing in Beverly Hills.
On me be goddamn. I can sing and hear me, know me. If you want to destroy my sweater, hold this thread as I walk away. Gone. Bye bye. Who I think I sink and I die. If you want to destroy my sweater, whoa, 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 hold this thread as I walk away. Watch me unravel. I'll soon be naked, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. I come undone. Somebody's honey is drowning my icebox. Somebody's cold one is giving me chills. Guess I'll just close my eyes. Oh yeah, alright, feels good. Flip on the telly, wrestle with Jim.